Hello friends. So today we will discuss how to do the meditation. What is the proper procedure and process to do the meditation? So many people ask that we want to do the meditation but we are unaware of doing the meditation, how to do it. And so let's start how to do the meditation. Firstly, sit in a quiet place, in a quiet room where there is not that much disturbance to you, so that you can focus internally and nobody disturbs you at that time. So for next half an hour, sit in a quiet place. Now your stomach should not be too much filled. It should be partially empty, or precisely your food intake should be 2 to 3 hours before the meditation, or most preferably morning time is the best time for doing the meditation. So sit by folding your legs in Sukhasana or Padmasana and keep your back and neck straight. Now close the eyes. Place your hands on the legs in Gyan Mudra. This is very helpful in being in meditation. It calms and soothes your mind. So sit straight, keep your spinal cord and neck straight. Now, as I have told in earlier video, you can do the preparation for meditation by rolling your shoulders in clockwise and anti-clockwise position. Now you can also rotate your head in clockwise or anti-clockwise. You do the preparation for body. Your body become flexible and all the stress and strain within the body parts, it goes out from the body. Now take deep breaths. Then exhale it. Now again take deep breaths. Exhale it. Now close the eyes. While doing this process of inhaling and exhaling, first few intakes and exhale should be more deep. After 5 to 10 times of deep breathings, now you can relax and watch your normal breaths. Be calm. Number of thoughts will come and go. Don't bother about them. Just concentrate on the breaths. Through nostrils, keep your mouth closed. Try to watch your breath string up till the navel center. in stomach. Take breath till the navel center. Then slowly exhale it through the nose. Then watch going of breath through the nose. Then slowly again take it. This process can be seem very easy, but this is very effective in doing the meditation. This relaxes your mind. Your mind will become thoughts free. All the stress and strain in body and mind will get evaporated. Be in this position and watch your breaths for next 10 to 15 minutes or as longer as you can do. Advanced meditationer can practice meditation for hours and hours. This is a normal thing. So you can do one more thing. Instead of practicing on breaths, if you can't focus on breaths and your focus easily move or distracts from breaths, then you can do one more thing. You can do any mantra like so, hum. So while intaking, so, exhaling, hum. So, hum. And this process should be done very slowly, and the mental repetition of mantra should be done. It should not be spoken by mouth. You should repeat it mentally. So, mouth should be closed. I am doing this to illustrate only. Otherwise, eye should be closed. Your spinal cord and head should be in straight position. Focus should be on breaths incoming and outgoing. You can also say this mantra, or you can use any other mantra which you know, which can be helpful to do the meditation. This is a simple procedure that I am telling for all the beginners. So this is the process for going into meditation. Then next stage will be where your mind get calmer. You will seem to move in an atmosphere where nothing is there, or a vacuum like situation where nothing is there, only your awareness and conscious is available there. Your breaths will become lower and lower, and your awareness and conscious will increase. So there are so many benefits of meditation, like better bodily health, great focus and concentration, all the mental ailments and stress related problem will be eradicated, and so many more things. So many mystical angles are there to meditation, but those things are not here to discuss. So this is the process to go into meditation. Thanks.